We are now at the acupressure section of the lower back pain lesson, and we have here 5 points and some points at the foot, but we'll start with our hand, of course. So our first point lies just right here. This is the junction between the first metacarpal and the second metacarpal. So I'm going to locate the pain point right in that junction here. And I'm going to create stimulation while breathing, of course, and directing my breathing to the painful area while slightly moving my pelvis, okay? So if I'm working now on my left hand, it's because my right side of my lower back hurts. Opposite side. Stimulation for 90 seconds, 2 minutes of this point. While breathing, while moving my pelvis a little bit to the right, to the left. Draw some circles on the chair. While doing that, our next point, I'm going to glide near the bone until I am stopped by the head of my second metacarpal. And this point is right here. And again, I'm going to stimulate it while moving my pelvis a little bit to the sides, front and back, creating circles, breathing and directing my breath to the painful area. Okay, again, 90 seconds, 2 minutes, as long as you feel like. You can check now if there is any difference before we go to our third point, which is located right between our fourth and fifth metacarpals, okay? And this point is right here. It's a great point for lower back pain, great point, especially if there's a bit of radiation to the side or to the buttocks. Stimulation. Again, 90 seconds, breathe in, move a little bit. Okay. Now our last point is located under this blade of the fifth metacarpal bone. And here we have the head of this bone, and the point is right under it. So I'm going to apply pressure right here. This is our fourth point, right under the head of the metacarpal, under the bone. This whole area is a manifestation of our spine. So usually points for neck pain and lower back pain, mid-back pain will be located right here. This combination of 4 points is aimed to help you with lower back pain, but every neck pain you have or mid-back pain, you can just work this area here and it will ease your pain. Yeah. Okay, our last point of the hand is right here. So if we image our torso to our middle finger, this is our head, this area here is our neck, and this area is the lower back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the pen point right here, and I'm going to roll it on this part of the finger while breathing, while moving my pelvis. "90 seconds work, 2 minutes. This is my left hand, so I'm working on my right lower back. Exactly. By now, you will feel a difference if you just get up and move for a while. Okay, this is it. We're going to move now to the foot points of lower back pain. Okay, so for posterior lower back pain, we have these 3 points. The first one is located between my lateral malleolus and my Achilles tendon, right in the middle. I'm going to stimulate that point for 2 minutes. Like that. Don't work hard, it's not supposed to be extremely painful. Just stimulation, okay? Our next point, if we have our malleolus tip, we're going to go right under it until we fall from the bone to the area where there is only flesh. And this is our second point. We're going to stimulate it for 2 minutes. This is it. This is for posterior lower back pain. And the third point is right here. We go on the blade of the 5th metatarsal until we get to the bone, and the point is located right here. Again, stimulation for 2 minutes. And we are done. Now, if the pain radiates to the side, we're going to work on these points right here. Our first point is in the gap between the 4th and 5th metatarsals, right here. This is our first point. Again, 2 minute stimulation. And the last point is in that gap a little bit further, right here. Again, stimulation for 2 minutes while breathing. And after you're done with the points, you're going to take a little walk around and see if there's any change in your pain. And if there's a 50% change, we're happy. We're going to repeat that the day after and the day after until the pain is gone. So, these were the points for lower back pain. Take care. I'll see you on the next lesson.